Hey there, Chris Woods from Daily STEM, and I know kids love to ask, when are we ever going to use this stuff anyway, right? Like today in class, we were talking about graphing and points and lines and things like that. And kids always want to see, how is it used? How is it more than just what we do on the board or on a worksheet? Well, guess what? I took my 3D printer and I gave it a file to print. And I set up my laptop, extra one that I've got over there, pointed at my 3D printer. And I had that join my Google Meet class because we're remote learning right now. And you know what? Anytime during the class when I needed to point out the real aspects of graphing, why it's relevant, why it makes sense, why the world is using graphing, all I had to do was point to our new class member today, which was the 3D printer. Kids need to know that what we're doing is real and relevant. 3D printing isn't just about making cool trinkets. It's really about showing kids that the real world uses graphing in a real and relevant way.